feels like heaven, bro. This feels like heaven when I ride it, bro. I do enjoy riding it. Out of all the 400s, now this has the best exhaust note.
100%. But if I had to buy a bike, like as one bike to use everywhere, I'd get the Duke.
Bro, I rode the Duke. I rode that one friend is there who comes, Orange Duke. He was there. I rode his bike on, I think, Wednesday. Bro, it's too good. Like in the 400cc now, that's the best handling bike I've ridden till now. What's up, YouTube? JF Rides here, and welcome back to another YouTube video. We are currently on our way to KTM Andheri. I am riding my friend Aryan's Triumph Speed 400 while he sits as a pillion. And my friend Shonil just got himself a BMC air filter as well as Brembo brake pads for his bike. So he got them installed and went for a test ride, and it took a bit too long, so we have decided to leave him, and he will eventually come to the showroom. None of my friends know that I've already paid the amount and I'm taking delivery right now. They think that I'm just going to book the bike. So let's see if we get a good reaction out of them. So when the leaks first came in of a black color coming out, I thought was head over heels for it. I knew that that's going to be the bike that I want to get. So the moment the leaks came out officially on Instagram, I got in touch with Saurabh from KTM Andheri, and I told him, like, as you can see, the bike is coming out, and I want to book it and be like one of the first owners. So he was very compliant, and he did like tell me, like, we have not taken bookings yet for the bike, but I will surely make sure you get the first bike. And he took my booking amount, and the moment he got confirmation that the bike is coming to the showroom, he told me to come in and like make the payment, how much I wanted to make. After a few days, the bike did arrive at the showroom, so I did go and check the bike out, made sure everything's fine, and then they began with the RTO process and insurance process. Today is the 22nd of March, so I think this marks exactly 1 month since I've sold my previous bike. So let's hope everything goes smoothly. My friend Aryan has no idea that I've already purchased the bike. Neither does Shonil. I think Shonil must have got a slight hint because my mom decided to she asked me a question which wouldn't make sense if I was not getting a bike from the window. So Shonil did hear that, and I did call Aaron and Sean, but Sean is a bit busy with his bike work, and Aaron, if I were told Aaron that I'm taking delivery, he would. Yeah, this is the lane. They dug it up.
Huh?
They have dug it up. How will we go? What the fuck?
These are the approach lights for Mumbai runway 27. These yellow ones.
Acha.
So these go on all the way,
This side the airport.
couple of 100 meters, and right here is the main runway 0927.
And what is this side?
There's a little bit of a river, like a leaky river somewhere here,
Ha.
and there are stubs behind that.
Acha. That's an Avenger with wheels on the side. He made a trike.
Correct.
That side is empty only, re. So we are almost reaching the showroom now. Yeah, but Mahim is not giving a test ride. Huh. Where is this fellow? Where's Shonil? Let me call him. Where are you? Where are you? In the showroom. What are you doing outside? Come. Yeah. No, I started putting a blur effect for my face.
Fucking Japanese porn. I wouldn't hide it down like that.
What?
So where is the
Your gloves, bro.
390?
Tina. Huh? हमरो हाँ
आपका इंश्योरेंस है
हाँ
जो ओन डैमेज रहेगा ना अपनी गाड़ी के लिए तो व्हीकल की इधर बंद गिर गई 100 किलोमीटर के अंदर जो सर्विस सेंटर रहेगा वहाँ पे आपको पहले फैसिलिटी मिलेगी
ओके
बट उसके लिए आपका ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस जो भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स है वैलिड रहना चाहिए
ठीक है,
तो ये आपको मिलेगा और 150 डेज
ओके
एंड थर्ड चीज़ 16,000 किलोमीटर और 240 डेज तो एक साल के अंदर आपका 3 सर्विस है ये 3 सर्विस में आपसे लेबर चार्ज नहीं लेंगे सर ये 3 सर्विस में आपसे लेबर चार्ज नहीं लेंगे कंज्यूमेबल जो चार्जेस लेंगे आपको देंगे लेकिन जो भी सर्विस अभी आपका पहला सर्विस हुआ सेकंड सर्विस किसी चीज़ की वजह से भूल गया रहेगा तो सेकंड सर्विस भी लैप्स हो जाएगा एंड इंजन वारंटी भी लैप्स हो जाएगा
ठीक
तो 5 साल 75 का जितना वारंटी है तब तक आप प्रॉपर ऑथराइज सर्विस सेंटर में सर्विस फर्स्ट सर्विस आपको 45 डेज और 1000 किलोमीटर दोनों में से
Serious?
Fancy keys, man.
नाइस ना
Sure.
द कवर एंड ऑल
Fucking, the car doesn't give shit like this. Amazing, right? So I've taken some with my hand, some I've kept on the helmet and I took it. So there's like a more constant.
Bro, ready to race. Power Rangers.
Nice, bro. It's very nice.
So this area is bro. Take this.
Congrats, bro. Heartiest congratulations. Very proud of you. I was waiting for this day.
Chair
since a
pressing
while.
off for the things.
Yes.
Let's go.
For a Ford hoodie. I'm thinking of like, why is this whole explanation happening? For like, people test riding a bike. I'm like,
Yeah, man. You're also so pissed. I'm like, bro, please, how do you feel?
after this now we have to do one reveal of the bike with the helmet also on the video.
Sir, whatever you put anything, I don't put my case.
Okay.
One second. Ready?
3, 2, 1. Ready to race.
Congratulations!
After all those test rides, finally it is over.
Yeah, bro. I was like, we've done like 5 test rides. Like, just by time got that big at this point.
George started.
First start.
That needs to be beat out. Let's go.
You want me to do it?
Finally, day has come. Thank you so much, Saurav.
Welcome, sir. Welcome. Congratulations. Okay.
Thank you.
First key cover.
Okay.
The both keychains.
Okay.
And this is a key card.
Okay, perfect.
So servicing within 45 days or 1000 kilometers. I think Sunil has explained you about the
Yeah.
schedule.
You guys saw this in the re?
No, more.
Okay.
We have the back office over there.
Okay.
This is the back office. Then please try to keep speed limit in between 60 to 80 or 100 is okay.
Okay. Under 6,000, no?
Yeah, under 6000.
Acha,
Okay, perfect.
1800.
हाँ.
Okay. And
I was
2 liters is the petrol in the vehicle. You
Fuck.
can put 1,000 petrol.
Perfect, I'll do that. Yeah.
All done.
Yeah.
You want to ask anything? Please ask.
No, nothing else.
I will notify you as soon as I get the cab.
Understood. Thank you so much once again
Always, sir. Always.
for doing it so quickly. Wait, they took my bike out without me taking video. Not fair. Aryan got a video, I guess.
No, proper wheelie there.
Surely. Thank you so much, Aurav, once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Stunning, yeah. Wow. जैसे दूर है जा सकता है पर लंबा है
Anywhere, there's 2 liters of fuel. We need to go to a petrol pump also. Because on the way that HP. Oh, what the fuck?
Bro, we saw like that.
CNG that is. Yeah, exactly.
It's some common modification someone does it here.
I don't know. Yes, sir. You lead. I don't know.
I think it is straight out of Mumbai road.
Still showing. There's like a clicking sound from the clutch. It's gone. I think this wire is sort of.
Right hand it in the
Huh.
petrol pump, you understand? Right hand. Proper,
No, there was like a clicking sound from the clutch. Yeah, there is.
I don't know, bike is giving you a service car. Gave a service car sign. Pretty weird. How's the feeling, bro?
It's good, but the clutch feels a little like something is getting stuck.
We'll set it when we stop now. We'll set your prices.
It's like getting stuck, see?
It is here now.
No, the clutch is getting stuck.
We'll check when we stop.
Aaron, I'll ask Aaron.
Oh.
See, it's pulling. Any other tuck? It's still saying reserve. I should go 600. Why reserve? So Shonal and Aryan are swapping. I need to get this rectified. Bike is perfect. The quick shifter is beautiful and it's so nimble. So right now we will head on home. I'll show the bike to my parents and then I'll go fill a full tank and grab something to eat. Got a Ford Mustang GT. I sat in one of these when I had gone back to Dubai in 2017. A beast of a car. I think this is a new one. Yeah, this similar one in grey. My dad's friend's daughter has it. Okay, it bloody heats, man. Can feel my the left side of my pant getting thoda uncomfortable. हाँ या हाँ चल
No, there's no instant braking only in this.
मतलब you can.
No, very less. First 2 years will be fine. That's a good tool for your bike. But you should also not over mediate because then now later when it will open now and closer to your service line you should start opening it a lot. Because there are now anyways default.
Where's Aaron? Where's Aaron?
Oh, one second. Aaron and they want to meet you.
They came to meet.
Oh, something happened. Call them. They just left.
अच्छा come.
Something happened to his bike. Please come. Let's ride now. Something happened to his bike.
Any bullshit बोल रखी हो ना सीधा you picked up the bike को लेना का
I told you yesterday.
What you told me you're going but you gave me 50-50 hints what the fuck was that
You should have थोड़ा more hint.
if you had told me you're going over there I wouldn't have got fined by cops you know that
Where you went?
Are you got fired, fucker?
What you did?
huh?
No POC
Some
on the
random
bike.
cop caught me man no POC you're no gear man
Yeah, no POC.
sure if I had come with you already I got saved you know that
I thought in pillion.
Yeah, bro, I told him I'll get my Activa and all. That Shweta scooter is at mine. I'm like, I'll get the scooter. No, bro, get bike. I want to ride bike. I'm like, bro, it's hot like this. Hey, bro, you got. Then I understood later why.
another cruise control
Hey, इसका clutch का जरा देख ना.
Hey bro, the clutch is clicking.
वो ना अटक रहा है. वो चेका हम लोग.
The center clutch, the clutch is loose. गाड़ी दे वापस. गाड़ी दे वापस. Return back to sender.
बहुत पक्का का आवाज आ रहा है. वो हम लोग
first
को
black
Hmm?
the first black and orange
Yes. One of the first.
ये है टक्का का. चला तेरे को.
Aaron Lord Aaron.
लॉर्ड आर्यन को दिखा दे तू.
Abhi this also has bro. How you have that issue na side stand ka?
हम लोग
What happened? Yours are side stand problem, क्या?
Where?
Yours are side stand problem.
This also has.
I know.
Because it's going. I put the stand up. It's happening.
अच्छा देखा तो.
suddenly came here
See, put it up.
No, no. Yeah.
See? No, it didn't happen now, but it happened to me once.
Just saying.
I have to just put it down once and put it back up, and it'll happen again.
So,
See?
no, it's up. No, it's fine. No, I know what you're saying.
starting on the new Duke let me sit and feel it
हाँ इसका launch कर दो.
Launch it.
ये चल कर लो ना मतलब. I get the I'm anyways getting.
I get the RC chal
Huh? Pakka?
हाँ
Chalo. Done, bro.
I think about what
Chal
I want to
tomorrow.
get.
Chal tomorrow.
I'll just get
Chal.
the time
so let's keep the plan alive ना get it tomorrow
Cruise जाने दे बाद में जाने दे बाद.
हाँ
अरे you know what Cruise is telling me? Cruise is telling me that Daniel's coming next week, so we postpone it to next week. I'm like, bro,
what is the meds
Yeah.
Meet Zello.
the meds na I saw this packaging only the front
सारी का
First thing I don't know why the fuck is it there?
सारी का
I don't know how to remove.
चल get it
chal
out.
chal Ashok I'm riding
Chal. Ah, what?
Hey, let him ride his bike then. Nah,
you can come with the AS bro that's the most premium bike ever
Yeah, after maybe
this is good.
few months. No, this I'll keep for some time.
This also should bro. That way, so many people are totally strict for my area. Remove this, remove that.
So easy. fast. Let's try speed control. 90. Magic. Wow, it's pretty clear today, and plus this is the first time I'm coming in the morning after a long time. You can see the construction that's happening. I think this is the bridge that they are constructing. Damn. Park it like this. See, like this. You can park it that way, nahi?
Later, I want to put my sleeves up here. So mean. Already, I look like a Bihari because you didn't tell me. Coming for an auspicious day on a weekend. He genuinely would have dressed me.
It's called
I would have
the element of surprise.
I would have worn like a full shirt or something, or like a half shirt.
The element of surprise.